What's up? Welcome back to the Tactical Studio. Today we're going to be going over a briefcase book bag. Now, for years, and I pretty much all my career, I always carried a regular backpack. Now, that was before I actually looked into this. I always seen briefcase as, I don't know, nothing really practical for law enforcement. But I'll tell you what, after using this thing for about a year now, I'm confident to say that I'll tell you what, this thing is probably the best for law enforcement officers. Now, we're going to go over it and I'm going to show you the differences between them. So, like I said, for years I used a book bag. Now, it's practical, it's bulky, it holds everything you need, but to get to your stuff really quick, especially with the new age, with all the new technology coming out, you know, this backpack was just store everything in it, and then when you need to get it, you had to scramble through it to get to it. Now, the briefcases, these things are just very nicely organized. They're set up, I mean, actually for law enforcement, especially if you get the right one. Now, this one I have the Samsonite. And I really like this briefcase. Now, there's a lot of room in it. So as you can see, when you place this thing in your vehicle, especially, I mean, just by carrying it, you know, when it's collapsed, when it's all zippered up, you can wear it as a sling, you can wear it on your shoulder. I mean, it's very nice, very slimline, and very easy to maneuver, especially in and out of your vehicle. So if you're coming in your vehicle and you know, you get in your vehicle and you got that big book bag, especially if you're just going in your driver's side and you're sliding this thing over your computer. I mean, with the book bag, very bulky. I mean, always hidden things, especially trying to get everything out, get stuff out of your book bag. It was just very hard to get out of there. You know, you have to scramble, you have to take the book bag out, put it in your lap, and you have to look through it. With this, I mean, this thing doesn't drop. Now, this one actually doesn't drop down all the way down, but it is very nice. I mean, when it's open up like that, especially, you know, you put the sling, you know, over the seat headrest and it secures it nice. You know, it doesn't move anywhere. Now you have everything here. You got your pins, and this thing's gonna hold everything your backpack does plus more. So I always hold my, you know, my notebook, got some pins, got my AirPods, got phones, you know, got business cards, got some other stuff down in here. I have a battery backpack just in case on a long detour or somewhere where I'm going to be out of my vehicle for a long time. I got my battery backpack, all my cables necessary to run all my devices, you know, my iPhone, my computer, everything if need be off my backpack. Now coming over here, which is very nice, it has three different pockets here, and I have an AR-15 mag. I carry one. I'll have some medical stuff, some scissors, some tourniquets, extra knife, a flashlight, another magazine, and the pockets are separated nicely, which is very nice. You know, especially when you're looking for organization, you don't really have a lot of time. You just want to reach over, know where the stuff is at, and grab it. With the book bag, you're just slamming everything in there. And yeah, people can say, "Oh, my book bag is tactical, it's practical." Well, you know what? I tell you what, these are old school. These are outdated. Once you get a briefcase, I'm telling you guys are going to freaking love it. I mean, it's just so much easier to organize, to carry. You know, a lot more discreet. A lot of people, oh, well, I want my patches, I want the molly on there. What do you want it on there for? I mean, just throw extra bulk on there just to make it even bigger and just say, "Scream, you're the freaking police." I mean, come on, people. These are new age, new times. Let's upgrade our stuff. Look at the briefcases, I'm telling you guys right now. There is no specific brand that I really love. I love my Samsonite. I love the outside material. It's waterproof, very, very sturdy, very practical. I mean, I've been using it probably for a while now, and you can see, going in and out of the vehicle, and I carry this thing with me every freaking where. If you see me on the streets, you're going to see I'm going to have this thing on me. If you see me in my vehicle, this thing is going to be my passenger seat, my personal, and my work vehicle as well. I mean, just take a look at it. You guys just go look at them. There's tactical ones out there. 511 has a briefcase backpack. Other companies, Samsonite, they make a very, very nice one, very sturdy one. There's just so many pockets. Also, here's one more thing. Here's what I like nice. Now, this one actually has 4 pockets. You have the 1, 2, 3, then you have the one back here, the 4. Now, what I throw back here is I throw in my backpack panel, which is very nice. It's a level 3A backpack panel, which is going to stop your pistol and handgun. So, I mean, if I have this thing on, something goes down, and I always carry an off-duty pistol in the front. So let's wrap it all up nice and tight, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So there's a nice pocket in the front of this. And of course, when you go to look at purchase one of these, you really want to look at how it's going to work for you. This one I liked it because it had the 4 pockets for my computer, backpack, pen, and all my stuff that I need. But it has this nice pocket right here. It's very sturdy, so you can't really see when you put something there. So when I have this thing on, I'm walking in sling mode. Okay, I got that back panel there, so I got that backpack panel on the back. Now I'm covered right here. My weapon is right here. Boom, pull it out. I'm ready to go. And as you can see, as I pull away from the desk, it's staying in place. So if I need to get some more coverage, I mean, one hand shoot. I mean, very nice, very practical. I mean, so to get this thing out the way, bam, you're ready to go. You're still gonna be able to pull it up. So whatever way you carry your briefcase or your backpack, whatever the case may be, just make sure you train with it all the time. You always want to make sure you train with anything you're going to carry that's going to potentially save your life or your family's life. So go take a look at briefcases. They're tactical but practical briefcases. Go check them out.